Just keep in mind that if you use something other than Pro, it's not going to have RDP access. So that's why I use Windows 11 Pro. Now you can see it's all set. And again, if I come over to hardware, we can go through and we have our TPM. We have our ISO for Windows 11. We have our VirtIO drivers. Everything looks good, so I'm going to turn it on. And then over here in the taskbar, you can see that it's starting. And then I'm going to open up a console. I'm just going to press a key, and now it should put me into the boot manager. So I'm just going to use my arrow keys, and I'm going to select the boot manager. And now it's asking me for a DVD-ROM, so I'm just going to narrow down which one the ISO is really quick. So I'm just going to minimize this. So our ISO is actually on drive 2. So let's pop this back up. I'm going to assume it's going to be this top one. So I'm just going to click enter, and now we should boot into our Windows install. And I click the key, and now you can see we're getting the Proxmox logo, so we should be booting into our Windows install. You might not get that screen. It might just bring you straight to your Windows 11 install, and that's fine as well. So now we're just going to go through the standard Windows 11 setup. I'm going to click next. I'm good with my keyboard layout. So over here, we're just going to say for install Windows 11, I do, and I agree. It's going to delete everything on the drive. That's fine. We're going to click next. I don't have a product key right now. We're doing this as a test or evaluation copy. So I'm just going to click I don't have a product key right now, which is fine. I'm going to use Windows 11 Pro. You can use whichever version you want. Just keep in mind that if you use something other than Pro, it's not going to have RDP access. So that's why I use Windows 11 Pro. I'm going to click next, and now it's going to start doing the setup. So I'm just going to click accept. This is just the EULA. So we're going to come over here and we're going to click load driver. We're going to get a EULA. I'm going to click accept. So now we can install the drivers we need. So again, we're going to be using those VirtIO drivers from before. So up here at the top, there's the AMD 64, and we can just come over here and select Windows 11. So it's going to be the W11 folder. And now we can click on it, and we can click install. And now it should be able to pull our drive, and now you can see over here it sees that virtual disk that it didn't before. So it's all unallocated, we are all good, so I'm just going to click next. Now it's saying that it's going to get ready for the install. We're pretty much all set, so I'm just going to click install and get going. Now this might take a little bit depending on your machine, so we're going to give this a few minutes and we'll be right back.